In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your liked posts on Pinterest mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap to find the pins you've liked and how to open them quickly, all within the Pinterest app on your phone. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. You'll recognize it by the red icon with the white P. Make sure you're signed into the account where you did the liking, because likes don't carry over between accounts. If you haven't used Pinterest in a while, it's a good idea to update the app so the menus look the same as what you'll see here. Once the app is open, head to your profile. At the bottom of the screen, tap the profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might look like a person silhouette or your own profile photo. This takes you to your personal space on Pinterest, where you can see your boards and activity. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. This opens your account and feed controls. If your screen is busy, give it a second to load and scroll gently. Pinterest sometimes groups settings into sections. Now find and tap Refine Your Recommendations. This area is designed to tune what Pinterest shows you, based on things you've interacted with. Labels can shift slightly after app updates, but you're looking for the section that controls your home feed preferences. Inside, choose Pins. This is where Pinterest gathers the posts you've interacted with, especially the ones you've liked, so you can review them in one place. Here, you'll see the pins you've given a like to. Tap any pin to open it, view the full image or video, read details, and explore the link if one is attached. If you want to revisit a liked pin more easily later, consider saving it to a board while you're viewing it. That way it's organized and won't get lost as your activity grows. A couple of quick tips as you browse. If you don't see many items, it could be that you haven't liked many pins yet on this account, or your likes are fairly recent and still syncing. Give the app a moment, refresh your home feed, and then come back to this pins view. Also, if you switch between multiple accounts on the same device, double check you're on the correct profile before opening settings. That's it. Open Pinterest, go to your profile, tap the settings gear, choose Refine Your Recommendations, and then pins to see your liked posts and view them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy revisiting your favorite finds on Pinterest.